everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how do you buy Steam games with Amazon gift card. So let's get into the video. So if you have a Amazon gift card and you want to buy some Steam games, unfortunately you can't directly use your Amazon gift card on Steam, but as a workaround what we can do, we can actually purchase some Steam digital cards and then use those cards on Steam to purchase our Steam games. So I'll walk you through the process. So open up Amazon, and then what you're going to do, you're going to search for Steam digital cards, and then here you will see just select the digital card that suits your budget and then add it to your cart and then try to complete this transaction. So let me check out. So here I'm going to buy this, proceed to checkout. So when I check out, for the payment method, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my gift card, my Amazon gift card. So I'm going to enter the gift card code here, hit on apply, then use this payment method to complete this transaction. So once I have now purchased my Steam card here, digital card, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my Steam, log into my Steam account here. So I'm going to click on my account. So click on account details. So when I hit on account details here you will see an option called add funds to your Steam. So I'm going to transfer my funds from my digital card to my Steam account here. So here on your right side here you will see an option called redeem a Steam gift card. Simply click that. So now what you have to do, simply plug in the digital code from the digital card that you just bought, and then hit on continue and then add the balance to your Steam account. So once you have added to your Steam account, now you can just go up and then make any of your purchase. And then once you get to the checkout page here, so for example I'm going to buy these games here, so I'm going to purchase for myself. So when I get to these checkout page here, so for the payment method I'm going to simply select prepaid wallet, because I have my prepaid wallet is my Steam wallet, which I have already topped up with my Steam digital card. So I have sufficient balance, and then I'm just going to hit on continue and then complete the transaction. So that's how you can purchase on Steam. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video.